What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So y'all, I made it home. I've been home for a good couple minutes. I had to clock into work, but I want to show y'all a little shopping haul for today. I went to Publix. I like Publix, y'all. They just very expensive. I spent $71.53. I don't know if y'all can see that, but the receipt not even that long. I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I also went to Family Dollar to get like Halloween decor, so I'm gonna show you that as well. So I got some pineapples. Majority of the stuff I got was buy one get one free. So that's why I'm trying to turn the left cheek to Publix, because I like their fruit and I like their store. But yeah, I got 2 pineapples. My babies love pineapples. I know my youngest do. I got some kiwis, y'all. Some sweet kiwi. I've been hearing about this and I want to try new fruits. I'm just so used to like basic fruits like pineapples, grapes, strawberries, peaches, like the basic stuff. But I don't know if this is considered basic, but I never had kiwi and I want to start eating like different fruits, the exotic fruit. But anyways, I got a buy one get one free goldfishes just to add to the pantry. These were pretty cool, but these kind of remind me of like the 90s. You know how we had all the raw snacks? Raw mean like the best, if you don't know what raw mean, not raw. But then these were buy 2 get 1 free. I got my girls these kind because the other chips they don't eat, and I got these for me or for the youngest. It don't matter. Oh, and I got me some grapes. These were $7.27. But it was about a pound, but I got up some fruit. I also got me a salad. This was $8.39. That's what I got the ranch for. I also got ranch. And I had got my girls like these little club sandwiches. They really, really like these. So I got these for like after school today or whatever. And I got the buy one get one free. I think I was showing y'all these on the camera when I was in the store. They only had one of these left, so I also got this, but it don't matter. Health is wealth. So I got the bag. Like, I'm gonna get into couponing, y'all. Like, especially at Publix, they always got they are expensive. I can say that, but the buy one get one free, the weekly deals, they come in clutch. I also had got a bag of ice, y'all, so that we can make ices. I still have to get the other stuff for it. So I got the grapes, and let me show you what I got from. Them got me some tissue. I have to keep these on deck. Also, I have some Halloween decor. I don't know if it looks kind of Christmassy, but I don't care. It got a ghost on it and it's black. I don't remember them having anything else that was like really scary. They had like the little skeletons you could have hung on your door, but you gotta keep pressing the button for it to show. And that's it. I also got a bag of ice. And all today I spent $30 at Family Dollar and some change. Oh, and I also got this from Family Dollar. Some cleanup spray. I should have got some detergent, but I just ordered it. So I spent, besides rent, I spent the $71.53 and the $30 with some change. So I spent like probably $103 today. That's crazy because it don't even look like this from Family Dollar. It's everything that I got. I'm gonna go back to work. And thank y'all for watching. Y'all tune into my next video. I'm trying to get more consistent. I'm tired of saying this. Like, I'm just tired of going through the same thing. I'm going to get more consistent. Subscribe to my channel and look out for more videos. Bye, y'all.
The next day.
Open my packages with me. I forgot what I ordered. I know this is a Stanley cup right here. I promise y'all, strictly for water, because like I have bought cups before. This is supposed to be a Stanley. It really is a Stanley. Yeah. Strictly dickly for water. Like strictly dickly. But strictly for water. Nothing but water. Oh, it's warm and hot. I forgot what else I had ordered. But it ain't. Oh my God. I did not know it was going to be this big. It says the margarita machine, but y'all, I was going to make like ices or whatever. I didn't know this was going to be this big. Let me see how it looks. I'm gonna put working a little bit. I did not know it was gonna be this big. This is cool. Nice. Wow. It's not gonna be pink.
I think I want it to be pink because we didn't ever know how to.
I don't want a pink air fryer. I don't know. I like regular colored stuff. Like,
yeah, I know you.
Now you need to get that homework done while you. And Lily, you need to go find a shirt. Why do y'all come home and want to walk around?
I want to see the air fryer. I want to see the air fryer.
Okay. Okay. Because... Okay, it's in another box.
Another one?
Yeah. So this is like the plate that it goes in with instructions.
It's nothing to put with it.
It really is.
Nice. Oh, Nyla. Thank you. Oh.
I really don't like all that
You got a
styrofoam.
black one.
Yeah, it's black and silver. But we have to learn how to use it. I'm really just irritated with stuff I have to.